Don't take your iPhone photo without thinking about the background and how the sun is lighting your model.
Here's how to take great photos with your phone and how to clean it up.
There's many ways to play with the sun to light your model, as each angle gives a different look. For this photography lesson, let's have the sun directly behind her back, and you see Gizem's hair outlines from the sun's glow, giving her a nice separation from the background. Also make sure that the background is covered in shadow so you can actually see the glow. Change the camera to portrait mode, tap the F aperture icon on top, and bring it down to blur the background to your taste. Select the 2x to use the best middle lens. Importantly, use your hand to cover the sun from the camera lens, which stops the photo from looking hazy, acting like a camera lens hood. Take the shot. Let's edit. Our iPhone now has a new cleanup AI, and you can zoom in and take out any blemishes and even take out a part of a background you don't want, like magic.
Click on auto and it does a decent job trying to automatically edit your photo. I like it, but
you can always increase the brilliance, decrease the highlight to bring back the blown out sky, increase the contrast to make it pop, increase the vignette and give it a vertical crop, and now you have a professional portrait straight from your iPhone. Subscribe, like, and follow for more.